Hey guys, what's up? I know, long time no talk, but I'm back. And in today's video, I'm filming my Valentine's Day look. So starting off with the eyes, I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm taking the shade Cypress Umber, and I'm applying that to my crease with a fluffy, not a fluffy, I'm so used to saying fluffy crease brush, but today I'm using my pencil brush to apply it because I want this line to stay pretty thin. So I'm using that to blend it out just so I have more control over the color. And for this year's look, I decided that I wanted to do a cut crease, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm taking just some regular concealer and applying that to my eyelids to cut the crease. And once I'm done with that, I'm taking ColourPop's Millionaire on a dampened eyeshadow brush, and I'm applying that wherever I applied concealer at, and I'm packing it on pretty thick because I want this look to be super glam but super cute and super toned down at the same time. So once I applied Millionaire, I'm going to go back in with this NYX shimmer roller, and I'm applying that with the same brush that is dampened to the inner 2/3 of my eyes to make this look pop a little bit more. And then I'm taking that pencil brush again and I'm blending out that line a little bit so that there's no harshness between the lid color and the crease color. And for my eyeliner today, I'm using my e.l.f. liquid liner as per usual, and I'm creating a cat eye. And if you've been watching me for a while, or if you've watched at least one video of mine, then you know that I do my eyeliner the exact same way every single time, because why mess up a good thing, you know? Moving on to face. For foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 332. Now, I was originally going for a dewy look, but I ended up picking up the wrong formula. I wasn't paying attention, and instead of picking up the dewy and smooth, I picked up my matte and poreless. So we're just going with the flow for now. Now, I applied my concealer and my contour off camera just to save some time, but I used the shade Golden in Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer, and then for my contour I used my Beauty Treats palette. And so I'm just taking my e.l.f. concealer brush, and first I'm blending out the inner corners underneath my eyes because my sponge doesn't really get that close, so I'm just blending that out. And then I'm taking the same brush and I'm blending out my nose contour, which is still a work in progress, guys. I still don't know what I'm doing because it doesn't look like much of a difference after I'm done. So obviously I'm not doing it right, but it works for me, so we're gonna keep it moving. And it may seem like I'm blending out the same spots over and over again, but I am making sure that we have a flawless beat face for our Valentine's Day. Whoever it may be, it can be yourself when you walking past the mirror. What Cardi said, dang, I'm fine. And to set my contour, I'm going in with my Beauty Treats bronzer palette, and I'm just setting that. And then to set my eyes and everywhere that I concealed and highlighted at, I'm using my Black Radiance setting powder. And for my eyes, I'm keeping it really minimal because I'm not, like I said, I wasn't going for a matte look today. So I'm also using that same powder to clean up my contour. and then to set my forehead because that's where I get the oiliest at the end of the day. And then I'm just taking my Real Techniques angled kabuki brush, and I'm just dusting away the excess powder and simultaneously blending in the powders that are already on my face. And to highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero collab palette and taking the shades 143 and Daydream and mixing them together and applying that to the high points of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my eyebrow bone. And to line my lips, I'm not sure the brand at the moment, but I do know that the shade is Flame. And then for my lipstick, I'm using this really bright red lipstick. It's so gorgeous, by L'Oreal, and I will have that listed as well because I don't remember the exact name of it. And that is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video from me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.